In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen in CapCut. So just go and open your CapCut and simply go and open your projects or create a new project. Make sure to have two videos, of course, or two photos, whatever you want to split screen on. For me, as example, it's going to be two videos right here. So the first video and the second video. So how can we do it? As an example, first of all, if you have two videos like that, let me just go and make the timeline a little bit lower. Make sure it is at the top of each other because we want to show them both at the same time. So you can go and select the first video and we'll be able to go here. Simply just go and click once here again and make it smaller a little bit. Go and click on the second video and you'll be again to make it smaller a little bit. So I'm going to move this here, let's just make it smaller so both they can fit. And this is good. Let me just go and adjust this. Make it a little bit big. Okay, let me just make this small. And yep, this should be good to go. So as you can see, if I go and like do full screen, as you can see, you'll find example here split screen. So two videos playing at the same time, splitting screen. Of course, split screen doesn't look good here because like the resolution is not the best for this two type of this, but if you're doing as an example on phone, you'll be able to do it easily and in a better way. So like the half of the phone will be here and the half of other phone will be here. So you can just go and click on the video and adjust it however you want. An example, maybe you want it to be at the top of each other as a split screen. And yeah, maybe something like that. It is totally up to you. Just resize it and position it however you want. And of course, if you want to resize it better, or position is better, you'll be able to go here at the top right and you'll be able, as an example, to scale it however you want. And also you'll be able to choose or change position of it. So let me just go and zoom a little bit so you can see that it's moving on Y, X, and also if you want to rotate it very easily. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.